Hello dear friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play FreeFire on your Windows PC using a simple method. We'll be using a tool called Game Loop to make it happen. To get started, all you need to do is search for Game Loop online and download the application. Once the download is complete, simply open the file and click on the Install button. The installation process is incredibly easy and will take just one click. Once Game Loop is installed, you'll need to find FreeFire and click on the Install button. The installation process is automatic and straightforward, so you won't have to do much. If you encounter any issues during the installation process and get stuck at 98%, don't worry. You can find a solution on the channel. And that's it. FreeFire is now installed and ready to play. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to IceLinux channel.